already don't like the banner I put up there. It is generated by a weird little project I have that makes kind of abstract art. Alright, I think I'm set. I'm waiting to monitor my audio to see how it sounds. My microphone is a little bit noisy. I'm plugged in straight to this laptop. I don't like doing that. It's an older laptop. My other system needed some updates. Ubuntu 24 came out. Let me switch over to the other browser. And the desktop audio should mute. When I do this, can they hear it? I don't know. We're going to manage workspaces and make it not make a swoosh sound when I switch over to another workspace. Oh, I didn't hear it. Okay. Good. I don't imagine anybody's going to come in here and watch me live. This will be recorded if you're seeing this. This is like my third day of streaming. I've been streaming on Twitch. Just started on YouTube. Working on getting my setup better and better. Getting set up. The camera looks bad too. I'm on a pretty old laptop. So I'm a Linux user. I have like 3 different distributions on my main laptop, and my main distribution is Ubuntu with KDE Plasma desktop environment running, and a lot of software, a lot of different tools. And if depending on what I get running all at the same time, OBS does not like it. There's been a lot of updates, package updates, and so if those package updates trigger also while I'm trying to stream, just the system utilities kind of interrupt the video and the audio stream. So I ran into some issues. So Linux 24. Let me downsize OBS here, get my browser up. I'm going to move OBS to another workspace. Go workspace all the way over to workspace 3. So now it's over here. This one's a private browser where I'm monitoring my stream. Here is my main browser. Sorry, I don't have this on like dark mode. So I could go on and on about what I've been doing, why I've been doing it. I think for now I just want to get some stuff done. I'm going to look at read some things that I've been wanting to read. My username is Haxxr492, HAXXR492 on Twitch and Twitter. I'm on Twitch every day and going to be streaming all work from there. And the big obstacle for me right now is the video editing, and then getting used to Twitch, understanding all the tools, layouts, I've got OBS figured out. I've recorded videos in there in the past, but new to streaming live, new to making any content at all. And so there's a learning curve, some of the tooling, and I want to get set up really well so where I can just plug in and go every day. And especially where I can just go in, hey, here's a project I'm working on, we're live coding today. Hey, here's the topic covering, going to jump into it, live code today, tutorial time, or so sometime this summer, by the end of this summer, I'm going to have a sweet setup. And I think it's as a user and content subscriber and not a creator, I think that I realize it's like take it for granted a lot of the hard work that streamers put into their content and their equipment, the learning, getting a good workflow, and all the tools to learn. You think it is simple, it is easy, and I imagine that there's a lot of hard work that goes into it. Okay, so I'm going to see what's going on with the Linux 24 release. I had just set up like a nice machine, and it's the long-term support. It was running 2310 for a couple months, and here we got 24. And I shouldn't be calling it Linux 24, Ubuntu. I'm excited. I'm hoping there's some possible firmware fixes or improvements, and I'm excited to see what type of desktop environment updates there might be. The nickname for it is the code name they call it for the release. I forget what it's sure. This is not what I want to click on. This is about their Ubuntu On my other machine, I actually had a good article up earlier. The stream just died, didn't it? Yeah, maybe. Totally just died. CPU is probably pegged. Oh, is it back? I just dropped out for a minute. That's all. See what's going on there. On this machine, well, it's only Spotify. I got other updates saying it coming in. I can tell though the videos video does not look good on here. It's just using the actual built-in webcam. Get some good stuff. I'm gonna get some good streaming stuff. I'm gonna look at some good streaming stuff on here. This is what I'm doing today. Researching Twitch, researching equipment, researching some video editing concepts and tools, getting myself kind of organized. I have a lot of streams that from the last couple days where the video and the audio files are stored kind of in a non-organized way. I need to go in there, go through all that content, uh, do post-production work on them, and just put a couple videos out from it. And then get myself a good workflow. If I don't take all that and do something with it now, it's just going to build up, build up. Just got to do something with that. Those streams, and by tomorrow night, be ready, like start fresh again. What's new in Ubuntu 24 for Microsoft Azure users? Azure, Canonical. Here we go. This is what I want to read. And really quick, I want to look at I see what happened earlier. Move this back to workspace 3. I want to look at something here. Yeah. Saturday, May 4th. It's 10:44 a.m. Eastern Time, where I'm at, U.S. It is cloudy and overcast. It rained a lot. The Kentucky Derby is today. The track is probably muddy. It's a big factor with the horse races. This is what I was trying to see. Okay, so in OBS, I want to move my browser up just a little so it hides this top bar. So if I grab, there's video capture, screen capture, make this barely smaller. And then you go right here. I'm going to go back and see what that, I think that's it. Yep. I'm about to read through this. Now, if I play this, the desktop audio should come through. I'm going to check on that. This is a minute 25. I'm going to see if I just heard that little sound from the video. I did not hear it. So I'm going to go back to OBS. Desktop audio here. There's another. So I want to capture audio output. I could do browser, and the browser, I think, if you do browser, I think it catches the audio. So audio output capture, but not, okay. There you go. I'll capture the built-in.
I could do browser, and the browser, I think, if you do browser, I think it catches.
But I'll have to mute my other channel on
Audio output capture,
or it's gonna like echo and be crazy.
but not, okay.
There you go. There, that's my. You see audio output. That's my voice. I need to go pause. I need to go mute
capture
that.
the built-in. I could do browser, and the browser,
There it
I
goes.
think, if you do browser, I think it catches.
But I'll have to mute my. Sure, we'll do that. Let's see what you can see here now. That's what I wanted there. Yep. Hide the address bar up top. Okay. I'm gonna take a sip of tea. I'm gonna kill this stream and come back. I wanted to get set up, quick setup video. Might delete it, might keep it. I'm just gonna jump into something that somebody might want to watch. It's about Ubuntu 20. Pause it for a second. Jump over here. Unmute this so I can monitor it. Quick setup video. Might delete it, might keep it. I'm just gonna jump into something that somebody might want to watch. It's about Ubuntu 20.